Hello and welcome. My name is Anneli Thomasson, and on this channel I share how I try to live a slow and simple life in the south of Sweden, and at the same time trying to make it as a knitwear designer. So every other episode is about knitting and every other episode is about slow living. And on this episode I will share my love for Mother Nature. So if this is something that you like, please subscribe and hit the like button. I spend a lot of time in the forest and nature all year round. That is where I feel the most at home. Mother Nature gives us everything that we need. She provides us with food and medicine, but also spiritual healing. If we are still in nature, we can feel the energy that exists there. We can see, hear and experience everything that happens so naturally. I completely understand if you grew up in a big city that the forest might feel unfamiliar and unsafe. Just like I feel stressed when I'm in the cities. It's something I'm not used to. But I believe that somewhere deep in our souls we feel that this is where we come from. This is where our ancestors lived, searched for food, slept and raised their children. This is our natural element. Cities, houses and roads, cars and money, these are all created by humans. They are artificial, but the forest, the lakes, the seas, the mountains, and so on, they are gifts from Mother Earth. And it is important that we take care of her and that we respect her. I wish you all a very lovely day, and I hope to see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye.